Okay everybody, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to continue my organization kick or obsession, and I'm going to show you what I did with B-17 Leader, which has a lot of stuff. DVG Games always they have a lot of cards and a lot of things to work with. So let's open up the inside and see what I did to organize this game. Okay, for B-17 Leader, I wanted to include all the pieces in there, all the cards, and also some trays that I made. So let's open it up and look at it. So I like to put the rules right on top. This sort of holds everything in place underneath it. And here you can see that I have some B-17 card trays. Now these trays, you can put your bomber and bombs that they have on it, whether they have any type of advantage chit on them or anything like that. And so you can fit 5 of these in here. And these, are also included with the STL files. And then I also made some special ones here, and these allow you to have the pilots or the captains that have special abilities here. So have all of them, and we have 5 of those also in there. And here are all the pieces. So, and I have different color tops because I just ran out of stuff, so I just started using different color pieces here. But so here are all of my units here. Let's get those the way that you can see them. So this one control has the dice in it, has your pilots here, and then again these fit right in here, so that when you have your card here and all your bombs and stuff, you have your pilot fit right on the card tray. All of your playing pieces are here, the bombs, and then of course the bandits here. So, and each one has a small little lid that goes on like this, and this, when the instructions are put on top, it allows it to press down even with the lid on, and it holds everything in place. As you can see, everything here is nice and organized. And I like it organized when you set up the game because it just makes it easier to find everything. You don't have to go hunting around now. Now some of them, when you have a very few of them in here, they will tend to do this on you. Sort of flip over a little bit, but they won't come out of the area. So the sequence of play you have down here, and we have the maps, and then we have the other stuff here, the indicia, the playbook here, and at the very bottom I have all the cards here. Let me flip these on over so that you can see them. And so we have the B-17 target cards here, and each one of these trays, there are 3 of them, and they can pop out if you want to look at them or use anything. There's room for any type of expansion that you may have, for extra cards if you need it. The card trays are also made so that they fit card sleeves, and generally what I do with it is I will have all 3 of the cards for the particular plane, so that you have, you can start out with your unskilled, and like this is a recruit, and then eventually it ends up with your ace. But I just keep all 3 in the same sleeve. That way it makes it easy. You pull out this one, you have all 3 there, and you just, if you're working with the ace, you can flip it on over. If if your guy moves up, he can just flip on over this way, and you put them on in just like this. So anyway, I'll put this all back here. And I did make it so that these do have to separate to make it flat. You can't stick all of these on top. You separate them. So you can use anything on the bottom, put these like that. So you got to separate the scenario cards like this. Here's your map that goes back in. Okay, so save the instructions to go on top last. We just put all of these, and these are made to fit across the box. Try to eliminate as much loose space as possible. I'm actually going to drag these back here because this is an open area down here. Let me see if you can see. Oops. If you can see that right there, got an open gap there. So what I want to do is I'll put my playing card pieces here, fill that area. we go. And then instructions on top and the box. And you have everything in one spot, organized nice and neat, easy to get to and play. So if you liked the video, please do give it a like and subscribe to the channel. That helps me out. And be sure to visit the website, there's a link down below. Thanks for watching.